All right, guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to use snaps, how to put snaps on. So these little snaps here that you see at the bottom of the rompers or stuff that I make. So these are our metal snaps. I got these from Joann's or Hobby Lobby. They're just metal snaps. If you Google it or YouTube, you can find these. There's a couple ways to do it, and there's a couple of tools that you can use to use it. This is the tool that I have now that I'm using as of now. I did just order something else that's going to be coming in on Monday. So I will probably update or do another tutorial on how to use that one. But I know a lot of people are wondering how to use the snaps. They are kind of scary at first, but honestly, once you know how to use it, they're pretty simple. So let's get started. So first, gather your supplies, your snaps here. So what you'll need is you'll need some snaps. This is what I like to use. I got this at Joann's with my snaps. It came in a little packet, and a hammer. So you're going to need, I'm going to use 2 snaps for this. So 4 of these spiky pieces, 2 of these, and then 2 of these. Alright, so mark where you want those snaps to go. Okay, so grab your spiky piece, and you're going to put that here on your device. And you're going to bring your shirt where you marked it, poke those spikies through with your finger, just kind of work them out a little bit. Alright, once those are a little poked through, you're going to drop the first part. Okay, then you'll grab your female part here. So that's the part that's the back right there. You want to make sure that this part is facing up. They kind of look similar, so just make sure you're doing it correctly. Okay, drop the second part. Give it a good whack. Alright, then we have that on there. I'm going to add my other one. Okay, now we have both of them on there. Now we're going to do the bottom part. So when you're doing snaps, it's super important that you're making sure that you're placing them correctly. So mine are here, so I want to make sure that this piece here is attached so that it will come up and snap. So this part here needs to come up and snap, so I need to place it here, just like this. Okay, so grab your spiky piece. You're going to grab your device. Place your piece here, put that on top, and poke those spikes through. Okay, drop your first part. Add your snap, this side up. Okay, now drop your second part, and hammer. Alright, there you have that one. I'm going to add my second one. Alright, so now we have our snaps on, and just double checking that they snap. And we're good to go. Alright guys, I really hope that helped, and I'll see you next time.